Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash online levels. First, ensure your device has a stable internet connection. Then, from the main menu, simply tap the Online button to enter the online world. Remember, you need to be logged into your Geometry Dash account to access and play these community-created levels. It's a straightforward process to dive into thousands of unique challenges. Once in the online section, you have many ways to find levels. Utilize the search bar to look for specific levels by name, ID, or creator. You can also browse categories like featured, most liked, or trending to discover popular content. Don't forget to use filters for difficulty, length, or game mode to narrow down your options. After finding a level, simply tap it and press play. Geometry Dash levels come with various difficulty ratings, from easy all the way to demon. Completing levels earns you stars, which contribute to your overall progress and unlock new icons. Many levels also contain secret coins. Collecting these can unlock special achievements. If a level is too challenging, use practice mode to place checkpoints and master tricky sections without losing all your progress. It's a great way to improve. Engaging with the Geometry Dash community enhances your experience. After playing a level, remember to rate it. Your feedback helps other players discover great content. You can also leave comments to share your thoughts directly with the creator or other players. Following your favorite creators ensures you never miss their latest levels. Additionally, participate in daily and weekly challenges to earn bonus rewards and test your skills against new, exciting levels.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.